Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Top crypto influencer says he will not buy XRP even if Ripple wins. Crypto influencer Lark Davis supports Ripple in the SEC case, but that's where it ends. Davis echoes the views of the majority of the crypto community, but with a caveat. In a tweet today, crypto influencer and YouTuber Lark Davis with above 1M subscribers expressed his desired outcome in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) case against Ripple. Recall that the SEC filed a complaint against Ripple and its executives in December 2020 for engaging in the offer and sale of XRP, which it alleged represented unregistered security. Per the tweet today, Davis wants a Ripple win. However, the influencer remains adamant that he is still not buying any XRP. The influencer says this despite predicting in November that the asset's price would experience a massive rally if Ripple wins the case. "I hope that XRP wins their court case, but I am still not going to buy it," Davis wrote. It is worth noting that the influencer does not think highly of the sixth largest crypto by market cap and the fourth largest, excluding stablecoins. In December 2021, Davis described XRP as the most disappointing coin in the top 10, asserting it no longer belongs there. Last November, he called XRP's value into question after JP Morgan used Matic on Aave to execute a foreign exchange transaction. Notably, last November's comments attracted a harsh response from attorney John Deaton, who suggested that the influencer did not know the difference between Ripple and XRP. Consequently, it is no surprise that there is no love lost between several members of the XRP community and the YouTuber. In response to his tweet today, many have expressed that they do not care about his opinion. Others have asserted that he still does not know the difference between XRP and Ripple. Meanwhile, it bears mentioning that Davis echoes the view of most participants in the crypto space. As previously reported, several pundits have recently voiced support for Ripple, championing an outright Ripple win as the best possible outcome. This is because it is believed that it would force the SEC to create clear rules for the crypto space and discontinue its campaign of regulation through enforcement. Conversely, the crypto community expects a bloodbath if Ripple loses, as SEC Chair Gary Gensler has continued to assert that most cryptos except Bitcoin are securities. XRP to target 42 cents on US stats as investors await SEC versus Ripple rulings. While investors await rulings from the SEC versus Ripple case, XRP rests in the hands of the broader crypto market. US inflation figures will influence today. On Thursday, XRP fell by 1.86% to end the day at $0.40947. FTX bankruptcy news weighed on investor sentiment, while SEC versus Ripple updates took a back seat. However, the technical indicators remain bullish, with XRP sitting above the 100-day EMA, signaling a return to 45 cents. On Thursday, XRP fell by 1.86%. Partially reversing a 2.26% gain from Wednesday, XRP ended the day at 40,947. Despite the bearish session, XRP avoided a return to sub-0.40 levels. Bearish throughout the session, XRP fell from an early high of $0.41729 to a late afternoon low of $0.40549. However, steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at 4020, XRP revisited 41,347 before falling back into the deep red. FTX credit list overshadows upbeat U.S. economic indicators. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case to distract investors on Thursday. The lack of updates left XRP in the hands of U.S. economic indicators, corporate earnings, and the crypto newswires. U.S. Q4 GDP and jobless claims beat expectations, supporting a bullish Nasdaq index session. However, tighter labor market conditions and a better-than-expected Q4 could give the Fed hawks more wriggle room to lift rates higher, which curtailed an attempted afternoon recovery. While corporate earnings supported the Nasdaq index, FTX news weighed on crypto investor sentiment. The release of the FTX creditor list delivered the crypto market with a reality check, raising the threat of more draconian-style regulatory measures to limit the impact of the crypto market on more traditional asset classes. Regulation by enforcement continues to weigh on investor sentiment as the SEC looks to bring the digital asset space under its purview. Losing the case to Ripple would likely hand the reins to the CFTC, which would be the more favored outcome for the crypto market. William Hinman's speech-related documents remain a focal point considering the SEC's position in the SEC versus Ripple case. The William Hinman speech-related documents could decide which regulatory authority regulates the digital asset space. A ruling in favor of the defendants could force the SEC down the settlement path or face disclosing the content of the speech-related documents. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacker, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacker. Before the filing for redactions, the SEC had made at least 6 attempts to shield the speech-related documents under attorney-client privilege. Last week, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse had this to say about the Hinman documents: "When those come to light, I think you will see more kind of like, how is it possible for the SEC to decide to bring a case against Ripple given what they were saying within their own walls? The day ahead today, investors should monitor updates from the SEC versus Ripple case." However, a lack of updates would leave the broader crypto market to provide direction. FTX and Genesis updates will remain key drivers. U.S. economic indicators will draw interest this afternoon. Inflation, personal spending, and personal income are in focus. A pickup in spending and inflation would weigh on the Nasdaq index and the broader crypto market. XRP price action at the time of writing: XRP was down 1.39% to 40,379. A mixed start to the day saw XRP rise to an early high of $0.41052 before falling to a low of $0.39899. XRP fell through the first major support level, S1, at $0.4042 to test the second major support level, S2, at 3,990. Technical indicators: XRP needs to move through S1 and the $0.4108 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.4160. A return to $0.4100 would signal a bullish session. However, the broader crypto market and SEC versus Ripple chatter would need to support a breakout. In the case of another extended rally, XRP would likely test the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.4226 and resistance at 4,250. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.4344. Failure to move through S1 and the pivot would leave the second major support level, S2, at $0.3990 in play. However, barring another extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub-3,900 in the third major support level, S3, at $0.3872. The EMAs in the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bullish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat above the 100-day EMA, currently at $0.39461. The 50-day EMA narrowed to the 100-day EMA, while the 100-day EMA widened from the 200-day EMA. The signals were mixed. A breakout from the 50-day EMA, 0.40570, would support a move through R1, 4160, to target R2, $0.4226, and $0.4250. However, a fall through S2, 3990, and the 100-day EMA, $0.39461, would bring S3, 0.3872, into view. A move through the 50-day EMA would send a bullish signal. XRP bulls try to break consolidation at 40 cents to conquer new levels. XRP bulls are trying to ride the wave along with Bitcoin to reclaim previously lost territory. The bulls are targeting new annual highs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.